We're making Neapolitan cookies. This basic cookie dough starts by creaming 2 sticks of unsalted butter with 200 grams of sugar. Add 1 egg plus 1 yolk. You've got to scrape in between. Always. Turn it on again. See what happens? Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now it's ready. 313 grams of pastry flour for the best texture for cookies, along with half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Bring that together. That's the base of our cookie dough. Divide your dough into thirds, about 260 grams apiece. For the chocolate, 8 grams of cocoa powder and 28 grams of chocolate chips that we melted a little first. And we have our chocolate layer. We're gonna give this real strawberry flavor with 20 grams of freeze-dried strawberries, 40 grams of preserves, and half a teaspoon of beet powder for natural pink color. A touch of flour to make up for the jam, and we have our third layer. Now we layer it in a loaf pan with chocolate on the bottom. Spread it out even, of course. Even. A wet hand will keep it from sticking. Vanilla always goes in the middle. You know what you're doing. And the best for last, strawberry. Get every bit. Wrap it up tight. Give it a good press. Best if that chills overnight. Now that cookie dough's nice and stiff, I'm cutting 2 rows of cookies. Cut uniform 1/4-inch cookies. Onto a lined sheet tray and into a 350-degree oven to bake. After 12 minutes, they're perfect. Onto a rack to cool before we touch them.
Oh, wow.
That tastes just like the ice cream in cookie form.
Chocolate, vanilla.
And amazing strawberry, by the way.
Big time.
And they're cute, too.
That is so good.
I could eat a lot of these.